The International Criminal Court, that's ICC, has intensified its efforts to notify Joseph Kony, the fugitive leader of the Lord's Resistance Army, LRA, about the upcoming confirmation of charges hearing in his absence. Joseph Kony faces up to 36 counts of crimes, including war crimes and crimes against humanity. The confirmation hearing is scheduled to commence on September 9th, replacing the previously scheduled date of October 15th, 2024. So this time around, it will be on September the 9th of 2025. What you must know under legal provisions is the Rome Statute, a confirmation of charges hearing can proceed in the suspect's absence if reasonable steps have been taken to notify the suspect. You may wonder, oh, so what are the notification strategies? Oh, what about the notification strategies? Maria Kamara Mabinti, ICC Public Information and Outreach Officer for Uganda, explained the ICC's notification efforts. Targeted campaigns through newspapers, radio, and social media in Uganda, the Democratic Republic of Congo, South Sudan, and the Central African Republic. Those are the options that have been put, among others. Believe that Kony may have been informed through his network, and allies have been growing, and ICC believes in this that the effort has been enough to inform Joseph Kony. So, what will be the venue of the confirmation of charges hearing? The proposed locations for the hearing. The ICC is assessing the feasibility of holding the hearing in Gulu City or Lira City in northern Uganda. The ICC registry has evaluated courtrooms, cost, and security in the areas. A decision by ICC is being awaited. What you must know about the jurisdiction for local hearings is Dauru Sant Hana, ICC International Cooperation Advisor, emphasized the benefits of holding the hearings in Uganda, bringing justice clear and closer to the victims, building confidence in the ICC's work. Those are the two main aims as to why they're localizing the confirmation of charges hearings. Joseph Kony also has legal representation. Kony's rights and interests are represented by Peter Ainas and also appointed by the ICC's registry on June the 21st, 2024. So this is as per reports from the International Criminal Court themselves. The Joseph Kony himself, you need to know certain things about him. Kony has evaded arrest since 2005 when the ICC arrest warrant was issued. He's accused of directing attacks that included murder, torture, enslavement, pillaging, and forced marriages. Crimes against humanity committed between July 2002 and December 2005 includes attacks on Luala Girls' School in 2003 and several IDP camps, including Batoro IDP camp in 2001, Odek in April 2004, Bagwere in October 2003, Abia in February 2004, Balonyo in February 2004, Pagak in May 2004, Lukori in May 2004. And lastly, Abok in June 2004. All these, there are a lot of other incidences which have been ignored, like the Wang Lobo massacre, where people were almost forced to eat each other after being cooked in a pot. Some locals say maybe it is the UPDF activities. Many say it is Joseph Kony's activities. Joseph Kony himself says it is Museveni. And Museveni says it is Joseph Kony. So, justice awaits. Joseph Kony, the contact, is being looked for. That's the main key issue here. ICC would like to inform Kony directly.